Okay, day one of marketing. So what we're gonna do today is go see some businesses, pass out some interest flyers, and see if we can drum up some people interested in hyperbaric and red light. Yeah, so that's gonna be the game plan today. So wish me luck. All right, y'all. First step is Broadway Nutrition. I know I really like them. I think they'd be good for the health-conscious people. They're open all the time. Probably not as much as we're gonna try and be, but they are open all the time and they have great stuff. So we're gonna drop off this little doodad flyer, if you can see it, a little QR code, just get some interest and hopefully make some friends and get the word out. All right, talk to you next stop. All right, dropped off first flyer. Good gals in there taking care of business, and their AC went out, so God bless them. It was a little warm in there, but we got our crack here. We got the salted caramel. That's always good. And we got to get this is probably like 400 milligrams of caffeine. Totally worth it. But I know Herbalife always makes you feel better. I've always enjoyed it, and so I come here. When you have a little extra shekels to spend, of course. It's probably about $8 a pop, $4 a pop, depending on what you're doing. But yeah, they do a good job. And they're open all the time. So you're always going to be able to come over here and get a good health drink. So off to the next adventure. God bless, and we'll keep going down this line. So next stop is Hog Head Designs. Really good shop. They actually got the swag that I'm wearing. Really good and nice, and probably get a lot of other shirts from them. What I love about them is they answer the phone, which strangely is hard to come by, I guess, in Ardmore. And I think they just do a really good job. So if any of you guys are getting some hats, getting some embroidering, anything under the sun, t-shirts and marketing stuff, I think they got you covered. So I'm going to go give them a flyer and see how they're doing. And they're probably going to love this shirt that we just did together. So I'm going to let them know we're going to be opening here in a little bit. So I'm excited. They should be excited. And, people helping people. Powerful stuff. Talk to you later. See ya. So back to Hoghead Designs. Just love, it's a family business. Good people. Pretty quick. Locally owned and operated since 1994. So Jay and Lauren Fraley. So, give them a call, 940-230-4640. Kind of interesting to get here, but you'll figure it out. Other than that, let me know and I'll get you on over here if you're looking to get some swag. So, in any event, next stop, God bless. All right, next stop is the YMCA, right on over, maybe you can't see it with this camera angle that I got. But yeah, the YMCA, pretty big here in Ardmore, good family, fun and whatnot. So I don't really know if they have a bulletin, but we're going to see if we can drop some things off because we're literally right across the street. And so if people looking to get healthy, get back into fitness, I think hyperbaric, red light, working out at the Y, or in general, is probably the right things to do, right? So in any event, here we go, and we'll see all my favorite people here at the Y. So, all right, yeah, the Y did have a cool little community bulletin. I didn't get a picture of that, but good people, always trying to connect fitness and what's best for people with the environment. So, in any event, all right, next up, Planet Fitness. They have a ton of cardio machines. Probably good to get your cardio on. So we'll see if they got a community bulletin or whatnot and get the word out there. All right, see you back in a bit. Yep, so Planet Fitness dropped it off. Front desk person took it. I don't know where that thing would go from there. But hopefully people could see it. There's no real kind of bulletin in there, but that's a big place. And, God bless them for being in the mall. The mall it's been so empty. Not a lot of people in it. So it's kind of one of the few things that are kind of working in this place. So hopefully we get some more businesses inside this mall. Make it a little more, a little more commerce, a little more blessings with people doing great things for people. So, that's where I sent that last flyer. We'll see anything comes of it, but you know, one thing at a time, right? All right, to the next stop. God bless. All right, hey y'all. So I am in Thompson Square, and there's a lot of places to visit. We're going to start with Metroflex, you know, a good gym. Probably work our way to Optimal Health. We got vitamins. And obviously, don't forget the Arbuckle Wellness over here too. So yeah, let's go stop in Metroflex, see what they think about the idea, and kind of go from there. All right, until the next adventure. God bless. Wow, y'all, I just went to Glow, and their place looks absolutely glorious. Same with Arbuckle Wellness. I mean, a lot of these places are just beautiful. Even went to Ideal Chiropractic. Yeah, they remodel, and they just look pretty as all get out. So, yeah, feeling a little sheepish here as I get into my little chambers and little rooms. But, you know, that's kind of what we're all about. You know, we do want to beautify things, make it feel good. But it's curated wellness, keeping it simple, just getting the job done what we need to do. But we've got some really great businesses in this town, and, especially Thompson Square seems like the wellness central of Ardmore. That we'll be over there with Mercy, or kind of like across the street from Mercy. So I don't know, more people all over the place doing great things for people. So same thing, people helping people. I hope you know, people will use these services and can afford them and all these other things, because obviously I feel like, why would you start these businesses if you weren't going to take care of people? So I think we're doing a great job, and off to the next adventure as I blabber on here about how amazing all these places are where people can go and get their wellness, get their tanning, get their chiropractic, or just in general wellness of all kinds of different resources. So God bless, off to the next adventure. All right, just got done with Anytime Fitness. Good Navy guy there, you know, so go get your Anytime Fitness. I think that'd be a great place to work out. And it's open, well, anytime. So good person there. You know, for the Navy sailors and military vets, you know, that's a place to go. So, yeah, just kind of overwhelmed with the amount of support from people in this town, you know, for hyperbarics and wellness and just taking care of everyone. So, you know, the resources are out there, y'all. It's just a matter of you know, finding it and you know, getting your own little program together. So with that being said, off to another adventure. Probably do some dry cleaning places that I like, and also looking for more fitness and nutrition offices. You know, kind of let the word be out there. So that's where we're at right now. Until we meet the next adventure, God bless. And I would say I did meet Chamber of Commerce. I think it's a really good place. Kelly over there, you know, they do a really cool thing. They put some ads together for people. They got 500 members that can network with businesses. So, you know, if you're a new business, then I would say Chamber's probably the way to go. Looks like a really good resource for, you know, new businesses starting out. So I probably will join just to get the word out there, but they do a good job and pretty helpful. So that's all I got for now. Chamber of Commerce, check it out. Ardmore, God bless. All right, select physical therapy. I'm gonna see if you know, they may want to interest their members in some hyperbarics. And then maybe I'll go over to Storts over there. He's got a good dentistry, good person, you know, good buddy, has a lot of good properties if you're looking to lease. So we're gonna send it, and I'll come back in a jiff to let you know how it goes. All right, went by Dr. Storts, really good office, and you know, even one of the staff was using hyperbaric. So you know, medically for insurance and stuff. So that's really nice to see that, you know, people are aware of it and you know, how it can help. But yeah, we're focusing on the wellness aspect more so than the clinical and you know, medical grade. So just everyday people getting everyday wellness. So with that being said, also went by a tanning salon. They were really super busy. over here in the area. I guess it's a tanning and hair salon. And so if you guys are looking for some tanning or some good hair people, they look like they were busy and doing great jobs. So stop by there, right by Dr. Stortz's office here, across the street from Walmart. So with that being said, off to the next adventure, and God bless. All right, here at Classic Cleaners, gotta drop off some dry cleaning. They do a really good job. They could even do same day. So that's why everybody loves them, because they get it done. They get it done quickly. So in any event, Classic Cleaners, good folks over there. Been using them for a while. Come get your dry cleaning on. All right, dropped off dry cleaning, Classic Cleaners. I was able to even leave a flyer, so maybe somebody will see that from there and kind of be interested in Hyperbaric. So with that being said, I think that's good for today. I mean, yeah, that was kind of like the whole morning. I was able to exercise a little bit this morning and kind of hit all of these places, but maybe we'll come back and hit some more later. But that is day one of marketing. So look up these businesses, maybe you're already using them, and go get some Hyperbaric when we open, and obviously find Jesus in the midst of all that as well. So that being said, it's hot, and we're calling it a day for now. All right, God bless.